southeast of Cairo, a chase was taking place. Never fear me, Spider-Man. I will... Wait, whoa. Hey, that wasn't supposed to happen. The movie's supposed to turn out differently, right? Director. No, the script was changed at the last second. Really? Let's back it up then. Man, I hate that parking brake. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, now, go.
Do you want to spend time doing all this? Oh, no, you're doing your thing.
Woo! We lost him. Spider-Man, I think we need a new car. Somehow, I think you're right, Batman. Woo! Yes, dudes! Woo! No! I need new brakes on this thing. Ugh.